Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this corner tuck card with the Artistically Inked bundle from the Expressions in Ink suite. So here is the Artistically Inked bundle that is part of the Expressions and Ink suite. And it has these beautiful distinctive stamps that look like the alcohol ink technique, and the dies cut out these images here. And you also have these two extra dies that are gorgeous. It also includes the Expressions in Ink Specialty Designer Series paper that has this gold foil or gold veining that's just gorgeous as well, and also looks like the alcohol ink as well. And this is the Expressions in Ink ephemera pack, and it's got this gold foil leaves and hexagons, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, another sort of hexagon, but it's not equal-sided, so I'm not sure if that's still a hexagon. But anyway, they're gorgeous, and you get, I think, let's see, you get a set. It just says 1 kit, so I'm not sure how many pages you get. It is featured on pages 96 and 97 of the catalog, so you can see the really pretty spread and the really pretty samples that they made for this suite. Really, really pretty. Love them. It's also featured on the front of the catalog, so really, really pretty. So for this card, I have started off with a piece of 8 1/4 by 4 1/4 cardstock, and I've scored it at 2 3/4. And then I've taken off the piece that I cut off, so that was 2 3/4 by 4 1/4, and I'm going to use that later. I also have 2 pieces of Designer Series paper. Both are 2 1/2 by 4. So I'm going to use one here and one here. Then I have a piece of 5 1/4 by 4. And I'm going to use that inside the card. A little piece of something there. So it's just going to be adhered inside here. Then I have a 2 1/4 by 2 1/4 piece of pale papaya cardstock, and I've cut it diagonally so that you get this, and that's going to create my corner here. I've also cut out one of the rectangles from the scalloped contour rectangle, and that measures about 3 1/4 wide by 2 inches tall. And I've already stamped and cut out the rose and the leaf. So this is in Pale Papaya and this is in Pear Pizzazz. So I'm just going to add some adhesive to the leaf and attach that to the flower. And I'm going to stamp thanks on our scalloped piece right here. Okay. And then I'm going to attach down some of this Designer Series paper. Just gorgeous paper. So, so pretty. It hasn't been orderable lately, but it should be orderable this week. So there's that. And now for this piece right here, I'm going to use tear and tape, and I'm going to place the tear and tape all the way to the edge, to the point, and then I'll cut some off. I'll cut it off. Same thing on the other side. I wanted it to go past that point right there. I should have made it a little bit longer, but I think it'll be okay. So I'm just gonna trim these off. I might use this excess right here still to create my point. So I'm gonna peel this up and then add it like this to still make my end sticky. Okay, and so now we can put that in the corner. Get the sticky stuff off of me. There we go. And I'm gonna add this pretty paper to this piece right here. This card is so cute, but it's so easy to make. And it's a nice different fold. It's fun and creative. So we're gonna add dimensionals to all of these. This one we're only gonna add to the left side because we don't want to adhere it down to the card, that part where we're gonna write. And this piece, we're only gonna add it to this side right here because it's only gonna be in this corner over here. So you're gonna add this to the middle of this piece right here. And then this piece will be added to the middle, centered on the whole card. So cute. And then we'll just tuck it right in like that. And that is our corner tuck card. So I'm offering a free card kit when you purchase this bundle. It consists of supplies for 6 cards, and these are the 3 designs. So when you purchase this bundle using my current hostess code, just email me and let me know that you like this card kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to check out all my other videos with the Artistically Inked bundle from the Expressions in Ink suite. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.